Have you ever wished you could follow more than one game at once without missing a single moment? ESPN made that dream a reality with the Multiview feature, which lets you watch multiple live streams on the same screen simultaneously. Step 1. Check your subscription. Multiview is available to ESPN Select and ESPN Unlimited subscribers only. Make sure your subscription is active before getting started. Step 2. Check your device compatibility. The feature is available on most major smart TVs, including Android TV, Samsung, and Roku, as well as mobile devices, tablets, Apple TV, and Xbox. Step 3. Open the ESPN app. Open the ESPN app on your device, or head to espn.com from any browser. Step 4. Find the Multiview tile. Go to the Watch section and look for the top live rows. There you will find the multi-screen Multiview tile ready to go. Step 5. Start watching. Tap or click on the tile and you will be launched directly into the multi-game viewing experience. You can choose from different layouts such as a grid or side-by-side view depending on your preference. Note, game combinations are pre-selected by ESPN to ensure the best viewing experience. Enjoy the action!